Very special guest is si
Oh my
Andy.
God! Don't tell anyone. But that's a surprise.
Special guest si Andy.
Yeah.
Andy will dance here.
Di nyo alam, president ako dun.
Saan?
President sa Mars.
Ari! So guys, if you wanna see Andy and Ate Jess, Wrecking Ball and my album launch.
Why?
Sabay kami ni Andy.
What's the...
No way! Kakagising mo lang ba? Ba't you're so gulong-gulong?
What's the reference for Wrecking Ball?
Wala, kasi someone commented kanina they want to see me Wrecking Ball. So sabi ko, kayo na lang.
Ah. Actually, that's part.
Andy, get a ticket now.
Okay.
You have to be a good role model.
I'm gonna get one for free.
Masyado na pong makapalang face ni Andy Abaya.
Joke. Sige na.
Oh!
Where do you buy?
SM tickets online.
Ano kalahati na is ano eh. The VIP.
What?
Nasa likod na.
SVIP?
Yeah.
No, that's front. That's front.
Wala bang backstage pass?
Meron naman if you get SVIP and then you get VIP and then you get regular.
Tatlong
You guys. You heard that.
No.
You have to buy all the seats.
Exclusive for Andy
Yes.
na yun.
Yeah.
Tatlo kasi puwet ni Andy.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba nangyayari dito?
I thought you have ano.
Ano?
No, you told me.
What?
I forgot what you call it eh.
What is it?
I forgot nga. Hey, wear your green ano again. Ano ba naman yun?
But I have to put...
Mag-advertise.
Oh, sige. Is this your... Ah, yeah, your color is green. Oo nga pala. Mukhang kalbo eh.
So you took it off pala. Is she coming?
I don't know. She's not answering.
So, sumali po siya sa live para mag-ayos ang hair niya.
Yeah. Para magpaganda. Guys,
Are you home?
may sa bahay ko.
Uy.
No, I'm in the condo. But I'm going home in a bit sa south.
Oh, okay.
You're going home? Why are you going home? You're not meeting up with me?
Didn't invite me naman.
Tama. May point ko naman.
Yan ka naman eh.
I'm inviting you to watch my album launch.
I am gonna watch.
But did you buy tickets na?
I'm still gonna watch without tickets. Madali lang yun. I thought I was a Marshall.
Really? Hindi, I feel like you can just walk there. They won't pansin kasi you're so cute. Cute.
Guys, pwede na kayo mag-leave dito.
Don't away my Marshall, guys. So scary,
If
guys.
I were to be your Marshall, walang makakapasok ng walang ticket doon.
Talaga.
Tapos kailangan tickets per person para makapasok.
Ikaw pala, ilan mo lang manonood.
Rain, mag-guitar ka daw.
Si Andy po kasi yung coach ko. She's not here in person, so I cannot.
Ano ba yan? Dinaway mo pa. Mag-guitar ka daw. Ano ba yan?
Why are you wearing the same glasses? Bro,
Because I
you have a crush on me. Okay, enough na.
Ano nangyayari, guys?
So, in 17 minutes. 17? I swear. 17 minutes.
Ano?
17 minutes. The live is gonna end.
Bakit?
Yes. Kasi, parang, I've been talking to you too much na.
Oh, sige. I'll leave na. Bye-bye.
No! Naman, so tampo.
Konti na lang daw magsusold out na. Tiraan niyo ako ng isa.
Akala ko ba 3 puwet
Tirahan niyo ako.
Come on!
Magma-magic
Yes,
show
na.
ako doon, guys.
Sabi, pag 17, bibili ka na kaagad, tapos pag rain, di ka pa bibili.
Pag ano?
17.
Anong 17?
Di ba 17 yun?
The group?
Oo. Hirap ko.
Hindi nga ako nakabili doon eh.
Aw. Eh, dito bumili ka na sa akin, kundi dalawa pa yung mamimiss mo. Ano ba?
I am going.
You're going?
Doon na ako sa sa labas.
Sige, sige. Sige, I'll see you there. I'll see you there.
Para in and out yung support.
Kasi actually, you know, that we're gonna, di ba Skydome, there's a roof. We're gonna take it out, tapos magpapa-fireworks.
Yes, nasa
Oo. So,
fireworks.
when we open it, you jump na lang to go inside.
Hindi. I'm the firework itself. Guys, Reina hates me. I'm gonna go.
No, I
He
don't.
hates me. Yok!
Papakute ka dito, yuk!
Alam nyo, si Rain, ganyan-ganyan lang, pero excited na ako makita niyan pag nag-taping na kami. Tingnan mo.
Akala ko excited makita sa album launch. Ay, mauna pala yung taping!
Uy, may taping nga sa album launch mo eh.
Shut
Paano
up!
na yun?
Yeah.
Paano
So,
na yun?
I cannot absent taping. So, yung magpo-perform sa album launch ko, ikaw.
Nasa taping ako. Okay lang yan, guys. Pag may taping man kami, habol na lang daw si Rain.
Yes. Mauna na po kayo.
Kain muna kayo. Okay.
And,
Where's Jazz? Why is she hiding? Pinalis
Kasi
mo siguro.
CR.
yeah.
Tagal mo naman mag-CR. Ano kaya?
Andy.
Jim? What's he gonna do?
Andy, I know you miss me.
I miss you.
You only met once. You only met once.
That was not once.
No.
I mean, you only spoke to each other once.
It wasn't.
No?
How many times behind my back?
Secret.
Ew!
We're having an affair. I'm sorry, Rain.
Sorry, Rina.
Sometimes you just gotta
Ay,
accept that.
pintuan po dyan.
Napaka-bully ni Andy.
Yeah. Buti alam niyo na po. Ay!
Why me lang? Kung alam niyo lang kung ano yung totoong ugali ni Rain Salmar,
Talaga.
one day, I will break my silence.
Parang that's not about me. Ah! Okay, enough.
Okay, that's when you stop talking, Rain.
That's when we stop.
Ano pang nangyayari?
Sino na nakabit?
I don't know. I think I will end the live if Andy will buy now.
I got na a ticket.
How many?
10.
Came out of your nose, ah.
Yeah, I got na.
Artista, yun po siya.
Ganun lang.
So, dapat kayo rin
Monsters.
din. Dapat ungusan nyo. Ay, dapat ungusan? Yeah.
What's umusan?
When do you go, Burmese?
Umusan?
Ungusan?
I don't know. Basta
like lamangan.
buy more than me.
Yeah, lamangan.
Okay.
Lamangan pala.
Sa Tagalog. So, umusan is not a word.
I feel like
Umusan is a
umusan
word.
is
I'm gonna search it up. Kasi like, I have a reason to
Ungusan.
umusan. Gorge.
It is a word.
It's not.
Ungusan? Like UNGUSAN?
I don't know. But that's a word, right?
No. Andy, we're Bisaya.
Mali-mali pa tinuturo ni Andy. What is he trying to say in Bisaya?
Lamangan.
Kailangan lamangan. Papasun.
Apasun. Ingna. Ingna, Andy, apasun ni mo.
Di ba?
Weh,
Apasun ninyo.
that's a
Andy,
bad word.
ingna ni mo ba? Ingna ni mo nga mo. Apasun to ni mo.
Apasun ninyo ang tickets na po.
Go Andy.
Mo, baka that's bad word eh.
Hindi yan bad
You
word.
think I would say it? Oh my
Online.
God, she's so... Tingna!
How?
Umusan daw is a word, oh.
Oh, diba?
Wow, so you're correct.
I'm
Wow.
always correct.
You're smart
Ay,
today.
lampasan is Bisaya. Lagpasan is Tagalog.
Lampasan is Bisaya.
Yeah, lampas. Like, lampasin ninyo akong ticket. Nag-give.
Lampasin niyo ako ticket.
Ay, galing.
Hindi.
Yes,
Ah,
may word po na ungasan.
lampasan. Are my comments late ba?
I don't think so.
I think you're late.
Oh, yeah.
Pero kasi, di ba, Instagram, like, Instagram na slower.
Supportive naman ni Andy.
I can't
there's
even read
really
what
more.
you're reading.
Because it's slow. Or baka mas late sa'yo.
I feel like
Anyway, Andy has to go and everyone watching.
Yes, we have to go.
bye.
Because it's more. Love you, Andy. Bye.
Thank you so
Love
much,
y'all.
Andy, for guesting in
Okay.
my live.
Thanks for guessing the live.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who bought tickets and for everyone who are gonna buy tickets pa. Again, you can buy an SM tickets
Online.
and in all SM stores, SM malls, sa SM Cinema booth.
When is this?
Sky Dome, May 30, 7 p.m.
There's
Meet Your Rain. Do you wanna meet Your Rain?